never becoming your karma, baby. This sounding for all of this drama, baby. Chasing you and I could chase these commas, baby. Dollar bill, dollar bill.
What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you all had a very happy new year. So this video is long overdue. I'm just gonna jump right in. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from hairsofab.com, and you guys are also gonna watch me install this wig. So this is the box that it came in, and this is everything that was inside. It says, "Hey Fab Dolls, thanks for your purchase." It comes with a thank you card, and on the back of the thank you card is some hair care instructions. It came with a wig cap. It came with some lashes. It came with some glue, which was very surprising, and it came with this elastic band and baby hair brush. And this is the wig, y'all. This is a 5x5 closure wig. The texture is sassy curly, and the length is 24 inches. So yeah, we're gonna get right into installing this bad boy, y'all. I went viral on TikTok for this wig. Well, let me rephrase that. I didn't go viral on TikTok for the wig, but I want to say like 90% of the comments were asking, "Where's this wig from? Where's this wig? We need details on the hair." And I was like, okay, I'm gonna post it, calm down. So I was like, let me hurry up and get this video out. It's way past long overdue, y'all. Way long overdue. So anywho, I'm just going ahead and hot combing this so I can kind of get a better idea of the canvas and whether or not I need to pluck it anymore, which I did decide to go in and pluck it a little more because it just wasn't plucked enough for me. This unit did come bleached already. It actually, in some weird way, it wasn't bleached enough to my liking. Like, the knots weren't bleached enough, but it was also over bleached. Like, y'all will see soon. I thought it was nice that they tried to, you know, bleach it for you or whatever, but it was over bleached. Yeah, it was pretty bad. But I'm a hairstylist and I know how to fix that, so it was okay. I wasn't tripping about it. It just was what it was. So I'm just going in plucking what I don't want in the wig. I didn't go too far back into the wig because I don't like to pluck too much and then, you know, it starts shedding everywhere. So this is the finished look after I finish plucking. And then I'm just going to go in and hot comb the wig while it's still on my wig block, because don't nobody want no hot comb pressed all on their head all hard like that. So I like to do it on my wig block to just, you know, minimize the extra distress, if that's what you want to call it. All right, now it's time for the fun part. As y'all can see, I am starting a lock journey, y'all. Look at me. Woo! Y'all, I'm starting a lock journey. I cannot believe it. Period. Boom. Pow. So, we're going to go ahead and put this wig over these locks because I am not ready for the world to see my mini-me stage. I'm not going to call it the ugly stage because I heard that was highly offensive. So I'm just ready to throw this wig on at this point. So I'm putting makeup on the lace just to make sure that it matches my skin tone. And I did use the same 3D contour palette that I always use. You can find these in the beauty supply store. You can find them on Amazon. I will link it below for you guys. And yeah, I'm just putting this bad baby on. And I wasn't going to glue it down, but I did want to test out the glue that came in the packaging, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. Although I was not planning to glue this on because I wanted it to be like you know, a snatch off kind of thing, but that's cool. So you can see here that these the hair was, look how big the part looks. So the part is not actually wide. It's just like, what the fuck? Like, look at my face, y'all. I was pissed that this hair was so over bleached like this. Like, look how big my part looks. It looks gross. But like I said, I was able to fix it. So, I mean, for someone that may not know what to do, how to fix it, this may bother you. This may be a con, but for me, it was okay. Like, I know how to fix it. It wasn't that big of a deal. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut off my lace before I glue it down. I do not normally do this, but for the sake of this video I did, because for some reason, I don't know, my eyes were tripping. Like, I could not see, so I had to get rid of it so that I could see what I was doing. And as you can see, if you are one of the girlies that just does not want to glue your wig down for whatever reason, it's still it's doable. It's doable for you to just put this wig on and not glue it down. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I think I put 3 layers of this glue on here. Y'all, this glue is trash. When I opened this box and I saw that it was glue in there, I was like, oh my God, like, I needed some more glue for my clients. And I was like, maybe I'll just try this out, you know, and I won't have to buy no glue for a little minute. I got some free glue. Y'all, I want to say I went home and, child, that wig lasted about 2 days, maybe a day and a half. That glue was trash. I still had to buy some more glue for my clients. Glad I tested it out on myself first. But yeah, that glue ain't nothing to be excited about, but that's fine. I guess it's just for temporary installations only. Alright, so I'm placing this closure right over the glue that I just laid down. I'm just going to lightly tap it in with my fingers, and then I'm going to press it in with the comb and proceed to blow dry this thing on down. So I always blow dry on warm for the first few seconds, and then I switch over to cool because I just feel like that helps glue set better. I don't know about this glue, y'all. Yeah, whatever. If you're using BoHo or something like that, then yeah, I feel like the heat and then the cool setting, it just helps it set better. This glue was just a lost cause from the beginning. Alright, so now it's time to try to fix this wide looking ass part. So I'm putting concealer on my part, but the hair was so over bleached that I honestly couldn't even tell if I was actually putting concealer on the part or if I was putting concealer on the hair. So I ended up having to do this off camera because once I got done and tried to spray the part on camera, it was so crooked, it was so messy. I had black spray on the lace because I just really could not tell what was what. It was so annoying. So I didn't want really big baby hairs. I wanted a really just natural baby hair look. So I did them kind of thin and I did them really short because I just wasn't going for dramatics with this first install. That just was not the goal. So although I already glued it down, I'm going to put some of this Eben Wonder Lace on top. This is just to melt it a little bit more and help it stay a little bit longer, which did not work because the glue was trash. But I had to do it anyway, y'all. We had to do it anyway. This is just how I do it. And then I'm going to blow dry it again. Melt the edges of the lace in with the comb, like the part that meets your skin. You want to kind of press it in with the comb. And then I'm going to tie it down with an elastic band. I am going in with the tweezers a little bit more just to kind of dramatize the front area a little bit and like really make it look like scalp. Because sometimes you can pluck it on your wig head and it'll be like dang, I plucked the shit out of this closure, and then you put it on and it doesn't look like you did anything, or it just doesn't look as defined as it did on the wig block. So sometimes I do go in and repluck it while it's on my head. Around this time, I just started having a hard time. Like, nothing would stay. My hair falling all out the clips. I tried to put the elastic band on, pop myself in the damn head. Like, it was just getting real ghetto at this point, and I was ready to just go home. Okay. Alright, so I'm going in with my wax stick before I hot comb it, because this just helps it look super duper pressed and sleek and nice. And yeah, I go in with my hot comb on 20. I'll put my hot comb in the link below. I don't know what temperature 20 is, but I always use it on 20. And I'm just trying to open up my part a little bit more, because it was a little closed in and it just didn't look natural to me at all. So this is the spray that I call myself using for this freaking part. And y'all, look at this mess. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I literally was spraying freaking dye on the lace because I could not see what I was doing because of this over bleached ass part. But I had to go fix it off camera. This is how it looked when I fixed it off camera. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and hot comb this down so we can finish this look. So when I wear curly hair, I like my hair big. Like, I do not like that super duper soaking wet flat look. I don't like that. I like my hair big. So I'm just making sure that I brush all the curls out, and then when I get ready to wet it, I don't wet it completely. I literally only wet like the top of the hair so that is defined, and you'll see what I mean when I say the top, and then I'll wet the ends. Y'all, this wig was only 180% density, and it looks so nice. It was very thick. It's just a very nice wig overall, honestly. It doesn't have a lot of shedding. Of course, it's going to shed after it's been tangled, or like I've been sleeping with it without a bonnet on and things like that. But other than that, I really love it. It's a great throw-on wig. It's a great it's a great natural looking wig. I just really love everything about this wig. I'm in love with it. I get so many compliments on it. It's great. I love it. And this video ain't sponsored, y'all. I paid for this wig with my own money. Speaking of paying for the wig, I got it on sale. I got it on Cyber Monday, so it was about $280 something. So I'm pretty sure, like, without the Cyber Monday sale, it's gonna cost a bit, but I think it's worth it. I think it's a good quality wig. And I hated this baby hair. Ew. It's too long, so I'm gonna go in and cut it a little bit more. I just don't like the whole side swept look, I guess you could say. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I definitely like my baby hairs with a more layered look. I don't like them to just be long and swept to the side. It's my copper hair trying to stick out from the sides, y'all. This is the only thing that I do not like about having this colored hair. Like, it be peeking real bad, and it don't let me be great ever. So this is what I mean when I say I only wet the top. I don't mean like the top of the wig. I mean just like the outside of the hair, I guess you can say. Like, I don't wet the entire head. I just wet what can be seen on the outer layer of the hair, and then I wet the ends of the hair. I never go in and wet the full thing. And y'all, I was really feeling myself when I got done with this. I really, really love this hair. It looks really natural. The curl is really pretty. It's really different. It's not like deep wave. It's not like any Brazilian curly hair that I've ever had. I love curly hair. This curl is very different. I don't know what else to compare it to, but I really love it. I love the density. I love everything about it. What y'all think? I think it's super cute. Look at this meltdown, though. This melt, though, is giving scalp. The plucking is giving scalp. Me, period, pow, giving scalp. Boom. I had to get up and show y'all and just stand in front of the ring light and just really, really show y'all what's really, really going on. And this is the clip that I used on TikTok that I went viral from. Speaking of TikTok, hello to all of my new followers, my new subscribers that came from TikTok. I really do appreciate you guys, and I love you so, 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 so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I was just trying to show y'all how long this hair was. But yeah, y'all, I really do appreciate all of you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a great new year. I promise to bring you some more content very, very soon. I've had a lot going on, y'all, but I'm coming. I promise I'm coming. I really hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see in the comments. And yeah, hopefully I'll be seeing you guys next week. Bye.